What's up, guys? We got a small crew ready to go. We're about to roll out to Analog and Grit Cars and Coffee. We got the Tahoe, we got Nate in the Chop 53 Bel Air, and we got Vic in his 64 step side. We're about to cruise out. Alright guys, we have made it to Analog and Grit, and if you don't know who Analog and Grit is, they are down here in Barrio Logan, basically right next to downtown San Diego, right down the street here. And they are a car storage company, but also they have like an enthusiast club as well. They got some really cool cars here, not just the owners, but also all the members. They got some awesome stuff. They're always switching things up.
Hey, what's up? Josh here, Analog and Grit. We're doing Sunday Grit Cars and Coffee. Come see us.
This is the man. He runs the show here. One really cool thing about what they got going on here is not just the, you know, variety of taste of its members and everything that's here, but you don't actually have to have your car stored here to be a member. You can be a member and just come hang out in the clubhouse. They got events, they have detailing, they actually have lifts and stuff in the back if you don't have a place to work on your stuff. And it's just a great group of guys here. Definitely recommend if you're in San Diego, you need a place to store your car, or you just want to hang out with car enthusiasts, stuff like that, come check them out. All right, stuff's still rolling in here, but it's always interesting to see what they have stashed in the back here. They just pulled this thing out. This is ridiculous. right, things are in full swing out here. We got tons of people. We're all the way down the block, as you can see. Way down here. Tons of people came out, tons of sweet cars. It's a good time.